everyone. Welcome back to our English Corner, where learning feels simple and fun. I'm Sarah.
Hi, Sarah. Hi, friends. I'm Mark. It's always nice to be here with you. How are you today, Sarah?
I'm doing really well, Mark. But to be honest, I'm starting to feel a bit hungry.
Hungry already? Perfect timing, because today's topic is all about food.
Yes, exactly. We're going to talk about tasty meals. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, and of course, some favorite foods. It's going to be an enjoyable conversation.
Before we start, we want to remind our lovely listeners, please hit the subscribe button. Give this episode a like and share it with your friends and family. It really supports us.
Yes, thank you so much for your support. Okay, Mark, since you're hungry, let's begin with the very first meal of the day, breakfast.
Great idea. Breakfast is so important. So, Sarah, what's a usual breakfast for you?
I like to keep it simple. Most mornings, I eat bread with some cheese.
Oh, bread and cheese. That sounds nice. Do you drink something with it?
Of course, I always drink coffee, just plain black coffee without sugar.
Wow, strong choice. I also like coffee, but I prefer it with milk and just a little sugar.
Yes, for me, strong black coffee is the best way to wake up in the morning. How about you, Mark? What do you normally eat for breakfast?
I usually make scrambled eggs with toast.
Eggs are such a good option. Very healthy. Do you have juice with that?
Yes, I love fresh orange juice. Nothing beats it in the morning.
I agree. Orange juice is wonderful. Sometimes on weekends, I enjoy a big breakfast.
Oh, really? What's in your weekend breakfast?
I often make pancakes and add fruit like bananas or strawberries.
Pancakes with fruit. That sounds amazing. I like pancakes too, especially with some honey on top.
Yes, honey makes them perfect. So, your everyday breakfast is bread, cheese, and coffee, and mine is usually eggs, toast, and orange juice.
That's right. And on busy mornings, if I don't have time, I just grab a quick banana or an apple.
Fruit is always a smart and fast choice for breakfast. Very healthy.
All right, Sarah. Breakfast is done. And after a few hours, it's time for lunch.
Yes, lunchtime. Around the middle of the day, I usually get very hungry by 1 p.m. For me, lunch is the main meal.
Same here. For many people, lunch is the biggest meal of the day. So tell me, what do you usually eat for lunch?
I like a simple but filling meal, rice with beans. It's a classic dish.
Oh, rice and beans. That's fantastic. Very popular and very tasty. Do you eat something else with it?
Yes, I usually add some grilled chicken and a fresh salad on the side.
Salad is always a great idea. What do you put in your salad?
I like it simple. Just lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, and a little olive oil.
That sounds both healthy and delicious. A perfect meal for the afternoon.
Thank you. What about you, Mark? What's a normal lunch for you?
I also like chicken, but sometimes I go for fish. I really enjoy grilled fish with lemon.
Oh, fish is a wonderful choice. Very healthy, too.
Yes, and I always try to include vegetables with my lunch, like carrots and broccoli. I love my veggies.
Me too. Vegetables are so important for our health. They're full of vitamins.
Exactly. My mom always used to tell me, don't forget to eat your vegetables.
My mom said the same thing. Good advice that we never forget.
So, to sum it up, our lunches usually include chicken or fish with rice, beans, salad, and lots of vegetables.
Yes, a very balanced meal. perfect for giving you the energy you need for the afternoon.
Absolutely. Now, the day moves forward and evening comes. It's time for dinner.
Dinner time. For me, dinner is usually lighter than lunch.
I see. That's a smart idea. So what do you normally eat for dinner?
Often I have a bowl of vegetable soup. It's warm, simple, and perfect in the evening.
Soup is such a great choice, especially when the weather is cool. What vegetables do you usually put in your soup?
Carrots, potatoes, celery. Sometimes I add whatever's available. It's easy to prepare.
That sounds very nice. I enjoy soup too. Tomato soup with bread is my favorite.
Oh, I love tomato soup with bread. So comforting and filling.
And sometimes I eat pasta for dinner.
Pasta is always a good idea. Which kind do you prefer?
I really like spaghetti with tomato sauce, a simple classic.
Yes. Spaghetti is always delicious. Do you add cheese on top?
Of course, lots of cheese. It makes everything taste better.
I couldn't agree more. Cheese really does make everything better. Now, here's a question for you, Mark. What about Friday evenings? Do you usually cook dinner or do something different?
Good question. Honestly, on Fridays, I feel tired after the whole week, so sometimes I don't cook. I just order pizza.
Ah, pizza night. I love pizza night. What toppings do you usually choose?
I like to keep it simple, just cheese and tomato. A classic margarita pizza.
That's a good choice. I'm a little different, though. I like pepperoni on my pizza.
Pepperoni is very popular. I understand why. And pizza is great because it's fun to share with friends.
Yes, pizza is not only tasty, but also a social food. People love eating it together.
Exactly. So we've talked about breakfast, lunch, and dinner. But what about the times in between meals?
Ah, you mean snacks. Yes, snacks are the small things we eat when we're a bit hungry, but it's not mealtime yet.
That's right. Do you usually snack, Sarah?
I do, but I try to keep it healthy. I usually have fruit, like an apple, or sometimes some yogurt.
Great choices. An apple is always a smart snack. Yogurt is healthy too.
Thanks. What about you, Mark? What's your go-to snack?
I also like fruit. A banana is quick and easy. But sometimes I want something sweet.
Me too. What do you eat when you want something sweet?
I sometimes have a cookie or two.
Oh, cookies. I love cookies, especially chocolate chip ones.
Yes, chocolate chip cookies are my favorite too. But I try to eat them only sometimes, just as a little treat.
Exactly. A treat is nice, but not every day. It's all about balance. Healthy food most of the time, and sometimes a sweet snack.
I agree completely. Balance is the secret. Speaking of food, Sarah, what are your favorite fruits?
I love strawberries because they're red, sweet, and fresh. And in the summer, I really enjoy watermelon. It's so refreshing.
Oh, yes. Watermelon is perfect on a hot day. So juicy and cooling. I personally love mangoes.
Mangoes are amazing. Very tropical, sweet, and full of flavor.
Yes, exactly. And when it comes to vegetables, I really like broccoli. I know some people don't, but I think it's delicious.
I agree with you. I like broccoli too. And I also love carrots. They're crunchy and sweet.
Yes, and people always say carrots are good for your eyes.
Yes, I've heard that too.
So we've covered fruits and vegetables. Now let's talk about drinks, because drinks are an important part of every meal.
Yes, very true. We already mentioned coffee and orange juice for breakfast, but what do you usually drink during the day, Mark?
I drink a lot of water.
It's the most important drink. I always carry a bottle of water with me.
That's a great habit. Water is number one for health. I also try to drink a lot of it every day.
What about other drinks? Do you enjoy tea?
I do. In the afternoon, I sometimes have green tea. It's calming and gives me gentle energy.
That sounds nice. For me, I enjoy herbal tea in the evening before bed, like chamomile tea.
Oh, yes. Chamomile tea is so relaxing. Perfect before sleep. What about soda, like cola or lemonade? Do you drink that often?
Only sometimes, maybe at a party or when I eat pizza, but not every day, because soda has too much sugar.
I feel the same way. Soda is more like a treat, just like cookies or cake. Fun sometimes, but not for every day.
Exactly. Water is the best for daily drinking.
All right, Merk. I have a big question for you. Are you ready?
I think so. What is it?
What is your absolute favorite food of all time?
Wow, that's a tough one. There's so many amazing foods. But if I have to choose, I'd say my mom's lasagna.
Oh, that's so sweet. Homemade food is always the best.
Yes, her lasagna is amazing. Every bite is just delicious. What about you, Sarah? What's your favorite food?
I think my favorite is sushi.
Sushi. That's an interesting and different choice.
Yes, I love the fresh fish and rice. There are so many varieties, and it's always beautiful and tasty.
I like sushi too. It's light, healthy, and delicious. Great choice.
Thank you. It's fun that we have different favorite foods. It shows how everyone has unique tastes.
That's true. Food is so special because it's different for every person.
Absolutely. Now, Mark, I have an idea. Let's do a little role play. Let's pretend we're at a restaurant.
Ooh, that sounds fun. Okay, where are we?
We're at a nice restaurant. I'll be the customer, and you'll be the waiter.
Perfect. I'll be the best waiter ever. Are you ready?
Ready?
Hello, welcome to our restaurant. Table for one?
Yes, a table for one, please.
Right this way. Here is the menu.
Thank you. Everything looks delicious.
Can I get you something to drink while you decide?
Yes, I'd like a glass of water, please.
Of course. 1 glass of water. Are you ready to order, or do you need a few more minutes?
I think I'm ready. I'd like the grilled chicken with vegetables, please.
Excellent choice. That's one of our most popular dishes. Anything else for you?
No, that's all for now. Thank you.
Wonderful. Your food will be ready soon. Enjoy.
Wow, Mark, you make a great waiter.
Thanks. It was fun. But see, ordering food in English doesn't have to be difficult.
Exactly. It's actually quite simple. You can say things like, I would like, or can I have? And don't forget to say, please.
Yes, please is very important. And if the waiter asks, are you ready to order? You can reply, yes, I am. Or, no, I need a minute, please.
Perfect examples. Using polite, simple English makes the whole experience smooth.
And remember, even if your English isn't perfect, don't worry. Most people in restaurants are kind and happy to help.
That's so true. Just smile and be polite. A smile is a universal language.
Wow, Sarah, after all this talk about food, I'm starting to feel hungry again.
Me too. We've gone through breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We also talked about snacks, fruits, vegetables, drinks, and even practiced ordering at a restaurant. That's a lot of delicious conversation.
Yes, it was. Food is always a fun topic because everybody loves to eat.
Exactly. And food is also a great way to connect with people. You can start a conversation just by asking, "What's your favorite food?"
That's true. It's a wonderful icebreaker and also a good way to practice English. You can learn new words while talking about meals.
Like today, we mentioned lasagna and sushi. Now our listeners know our favorite foods.
Yes, and it was fun discovering that. I really enjoyed this episode, Sarah.
Same here, Mark. I hope everyone listening had fun too, and maybe got a little hungry while learning.
I'm sure they did. But sadly, our time is almost finished for today.
Yes, it's time to say goodbye. But before we go, we want to say a big thank you to all our listeners.
Yes, thank you so much for joining us. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you never miss a new episode.
And if you enjoyed this, share it with your friends and family. It really helps us keep going.
We also have a question for you. Please leave a comment below and tell us, what's your favorite food?
Yes, we'd love to read your answers. It will be so interesting to see what foods everyone likes.
Absolutely. Okay, that's all from us today.
Until next time, keep practicing your English and have fun while you learn. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye. See you soon.